Shooting ongoing between Orlu OWERRI Road, a place called Ebubeagu right now as we are speaking. Unknown gunmen have attacked one checking point. As we are speaking, a shooting is ongoing right now over there in Ebubeagu in Imo State. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smart, you know. Before we jump into the matter we will get today, if you know say you never follow this particular channel or you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, I beg me quickly go subscribe and turn your notification bell for a quick update as they hot. Now they bring and they come. No be smart thing is happening in Imo State as we are speaking right now. They say government have attacked a checking point in Ebubeagu as we dey talk. The shooting is ongoing. If the more information come, we go still bring and come give una. No be small thing. Let's go and look into other matter wey we get for hand. They say where the mine code for Enugu, illegal code is going on in Enugu, and one retired Nigeria force don come outside come speak up for say the way that they kill Igbo youth, the thing done too much. Yeah, my people, we go take one after the other. The news that we're getting right now as we are speaking is the shooting that is going on in Imo State in a one checking point in Ebubeagu. And let's also jump into this particular one where they happen for Enugu. We will show on the video where they buy code. This code they mine them, they sell them, they go give China. China they use them, they produce electric, give your own people. They get stable light for inside China. But for people who get them, now still people can't they steal them, they go China, go they sell. Let's play the video for you to watch and we'll come back and continue.
Here at the illegal mining site at Akuke. Here is one of the trucks. One of their trucks. Can see the number plate. These are the trucks, the tractors they are using for the illegal mining. Here is their camp. Here is their camp. Here is a camp. So these trucks used for the illegal job in Enugu by the illegal miners. You can actually look at the extent of the environmental degradation these people, the illegal miners, have caused the people of Enugu State, the pain they've caused the people of Enugu State. You can see here we have the environment, our forests being destroyed. We're witnessing deforestation at all caused by the illegal miners excavating and destroying the environment. This is what these people have caused the people of Enugu State is years of irreparable damage. Years of irreparable damage. And what we've seen here shows that this has been over some years now. They've been here. This is massive. I mean, it's massive. Our environment is being destroyed. Our forests, our vegetation is being destroyed by them. This is so massive. This is really massive. This is massive.
Wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, this is the resources that are supposed to be generating income to the people, to the state, and now they are stealing it and selling it out to China. You see how wickedness this government is. Are you telling me that government don't know about this thing that is going on here? Which road those trucks are passing? Are police people on those checkpoints are not seeing them when they are taking this coal out of Enugu? The question is, who is behind this illegal mining in Enugu? Things are really happening. This is the high wickedness of the states that you call your state. How the people governing you, how wicked they are. I don't tell you now, they don't know about this thing that is going on. Well, my wonderful people, let's jump into this news I'm about to show you right now. Is this our brother who identify himself as a retiring force, maybe a police, and is going to tell you more detail of how they are executing and taking away our youth, tagging them on non-government. Let's watch the video together.
For me, if you ask me, I know Enugu State very well. I know Anambra State very well. So there are things that happen in those areas that you will weep tears. I've been a victim many times. Many young people are shot dead, and they are automatically labeled to be members of unknown gunmen or members of IPOB, and nobody will do a forensics. Now, yesterday, some days ago, a so-called IPOB camp in Eziowele, or so thereabout, was raided, and I saw men on uniform going there, and I saw somebody taking a video, and he was speaking vernacular. Why are they burning that place? Why would you go to a site of a so-called IPOB hideout and all you do is burn? While I was in the service, we would go on our knees and on our hands. We go to the floor and pick every cigarette butt there, every butt of Indian hair, every used sachet water. We pick this so we can now be able to lift fingerprints off there. So we can now go to the cells, those that were arrested in the cells, or those who were arrested in the field, can be able to match their fingerprint to start get a picture of who is there or who wasn't there. Now those that were shot dead, all they confirm, these are criminals, these are terrorists, these are IPOB, these are unknown gunmen, but nobody does a forensic to leave their fingerprint, put them on the BVN database, put them on
a bad policing job, isn't it?
Put them on telephone database to find out who are these people, so we can actually know their background, know their link, know their association, know their colleagues, so we can be able to attack the route. But all they do, kill them, put them in the police truck, take their pictures and bury them. That is bad. And you can't say it's a bad policing job. It's a bad national security job, because most people that kill them may not be police. It could be civil defense, it could be vigilante, it could be the military. So you cannot say it's only police job.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you see what they go on. More truth will be coming out very, very soon. You know, most of us don't actually know what is going on in Southeast. Most of the people even lived in Southeast, but they don't know. You know, we black people, we are used to, unless something happened to us, we won't take that thing serious. When they say people, mind how you walk, mind where you go, mind the friends you keep, you will say no until you be the victim of all these things that is happening. Thank God that the ones who are saying it with their own mind, telling you how the evil, what they call themselves, whether na police or na military, how they take people life. They tell you, say they be this, they be that. No investigation. This is happening in Southeast. And this is the thing we expect our leaders to be saying and condemning seriously, brought in those people to book. But no, will happen. A thing that can happen in other part of the country, and is happening in Southeast, in Biafra land. The youth are disappearing. The mothers are expecting their children to come back home, but they will wait for eternity. They will never come back again because of the handwork of this government. My people, things are really happening in Southeast. If you don't know, you don't know. Please share this video and also subscribe to this channel. If more updates come regarding the shooting that is going on in Ebubeagu, we will still update you people. Stay tuned.